All right, guys and gals, we're back out here on Satilla River fishing again. We're fishing for anything, worms on the bottom. See if we can't catch some catfish or brims or whatever else is down there. So let's throw a worm and see what we can catch. See y'all in a bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, fish on, fish on.
It's a big one, it's a big one.
Nice little red breasted. No, that ain't no red breast, that's a yellow belly. Nice one though. Get some water in the bucket.
Good decent fish. And he just ate it, Paul. He didn't mess around with it.
That's what they've been doing.
He didn't mess around with it. He found it and ate it.
Oh, I gotta finish my bait. Put my bait back together.
Yes, sir. That felt good, Paul.
Uh-huh.
It's been a while. It's been a few days.
Well, maybe they fixing to start biting.
I don't need but about 4 or 5.
Just seen 2 big old labs swimming the river down yonder.
2 big old dogs.
Them gators gonna get them one day. Cause there's some big gators up in this area.
If they ain't careful, they will beat you.
I've seen that dog swim this river before.
Yeah.
That orange one.
Right on.
Lay that back down. What the heck? There's a hook hanging here. Oh. Another fish on.
This one don't feel so big. Oh no, wait a minute. He's running. He's running. Catfish.
Catfish, channel cat. That's a good eating one right there too.
Yep. No, it's a speckle.
No, it's a channel cat. See his V in his tail?
Okay.
Keep holding him over the side of the boat, he's gonna get off. Less than he swallowed it. Sound like a buggy or a truck or something up in the woods coming in.
Oh, he was barely hooked.
It's shady up in there. A little old 6-foot gator laying over there, or swimming out, going that way. You ain't gonna be able to see him though. It's too dark in there for this camera. If I had my Canon over here, I could zoom in on him. Yeah.
I feel bad.
What you got up there?
Little catfish beef.
Little brims.
White beef. Feels like a decent one, Paul.
All right, guys, got another fish on.
I'm wearing Paul out today, folks. I'm wearing him out.
And that's the 4th one that he caught, that he's hung into, and the 3rd one that oh, big old mudfish.
I'm glad that got off.
Fish on. We done moved spots.
Catfish.
Oh yeah, and catfish love these spots. Nice little catty cat. Another little channel. Them some fresh eating fish right there. Oh, I'm getting a bite.
Get him, Paul. Get him. Settle down, settle down, settle down. I don't want you to put one of them fines in my hand. That's some stinging shit.
I should have yanked it just then, but I didn't. I let him swallow it. There's a pair of pliers on the floor up there. Yeah, them catfish usually do. That's why I let this one that was biting go, because I figured it was a cat. Well, that's your 3rd keeper.
Yeah.
I wonder if he got my bait. Ain't no telling, but I'm gonna leave it there.
Damn, I'm gonna have to leave this one in here.
Yeah, I took all my dang hooks out a while ago and forgot to leave the brim hooks in here.
Yeah, I got plenty up here.
You see your fish? I can't see for your hand. There you go, little channel cat's another one.
Okay, it'd be good eating.
Oh yeah, them's dang good eating right there. I better check my bait. Still got plenty. Got another fish on. That isn't but little. This is big enough to eat, but
Yes, sir.
he ain't no monster. That's all Genrites will buy right there.
Is it?
Up to a pound, pound and a half.
Huh.
We used to sell them to Genrites all the time. Genrites and all the dang restaurants that sold catfish. All the fish markets and everywhere up Jessup. Fishy, fishy. And then somebody's fishing for my pole.
Ah, damn.
Oh yeah, that's a good fish there. Oh, that's a brim.
Really?
Yep. Caught in the eyeball.
Dang, look at that. Was that a flyer?
A bluegill.
That's a bluegill? Okay. I can't tell the difference.
Look at that little bluegill, y'all. Caught him in the eye. The mouth's down here. Look at her, right in the eye. Boop. That's not a first, but one in a long time. See, there's fish in this here river.
Oh, yeah. This river was a river that my grandpa fished a lot when we were young, when I was, in diapers. I will keep this one.
Oh, another fish on, double.
Damn, swallow my hook again.
You want this little one?
Yeah, I'll keep that one for you.
Little sun perch. Yellow belly sun perch, whatever you want to call him.
Yeah.
Well, I guess the catfish has moved and the brim's coming in. Unless the catfish is chasing them brim. And that little Charlie dog.
Go hold this hook here.
Say hey to your fans, Charlie.
We let him grow up.
He got a head and a tail.
Well, try to keep the
Yeah, he's a
flow
little
of the
small.
environment going.
Right, there's plenty of small ones right here too.
Yeah.
So we got plenty of fish
But
for a
you know
few
what?
years.
He
They keep
didn't-
on growing.
He wasn't messing around. He grabbed a hold of it and took off. I didn't even have to set the hook. I just started reeling.
Right. That's what a catfish is supposed to do. I need to get some new rod and reels. Another little kitty cat going back in the water.
Let him grow up.
There's another redbreast. Ooh, a rooster, big old rooster.
I want one. Yes, sir. That's good.
Yep, another big old rooster. Now it's
Call
a,
Cindy a fish. He won't be too mad.
man, he swallowed the hook too.
Man,
That's a shell cracker.
Yep. Yep. Oh, damn. They're here, man. They're here.
Yeah, big old shell cracker, y'all. Big old rooster. Oh, turn my worms over, booger.
That's a nice fish.
What a big old rooster.
Only thing wrong
shell
with that
cracker.
fish. Only wrong with that fish, ladies and gentlemen, is I didn't catch it. That's the only thing wrong with that fish there.
Big old shell cracker. Told you I know a few holes.
Yeah.
We got some good video today, brother.
Yes, we did, man. Glad to be here.
I think I can put all but one of them on there. That second rooster, I don't know if I can I might can after we get him to the house.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we'll lay them out. Oh!
Another one of them dang roosters.
Where in the hell's mine?
In the water under that tree. Dang, he swallowed it too. No, he didn't. Not as bad as the other one. Nope, got that hook out without having to add another one. Charlie, you ain't got your riding reel out yet, girl. You ain't got your little fishing pole out.
Look out, Will. Fire it, Will.
Little bitty booger. Another perfect brown catfish size though. Man, I wish I had a tank at the house to keep them alive.
Yeah.
Perfect size.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Even the bird over there's calling the fish. You hear it? Fishy, 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 fishy. Fishy, 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 fishy. Oh!
All right, another little catfish.
Swallowed the hook again.
Yeah, we
I don't think I've been through this many hooks.
Well, at least you can get them back when we clean the fish.
I can't keep messing with the fish. Nice little fish.
Yep.
About half
A
pound.
little channel cat. Oh, I got one on. Set this camera down for a second.
Get out another hook.
Come on, fish, bite it while I'm rolling.
He stopped up there where we was a minute ago.
Mm-hmm.
Or that's what it sounded like.
Yeah, he ain't went far. Right around the corner. There's a bite.
Dang, we're gonna run out of bait just after leaving, ain't we?
Mm-hmm. We either run out of bait or hooks. Have to start cleaning the fish to get some hooks back.
Yeah.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, look at that rod fold. I don't know what I got on this one. Let me set this camera down. My other camera quit. The SD card's full. Man, he's pulling. That's a big one. I think this is the biggest one today.
Get out your way.
Oh yeah, it's a catfish.
Catfish.
Nice kitty cat. Nice little kitty cat, y'all. Little channel cat.
And he didn't swallow the hook. Yeah, that's two good sized catfish now. We got
little channel cats. Today's what you call fishing. Or no, today's what you call catching.
Catching. Good one.
Yep. Looks like a shell cracker.
Swallowed the hook.
Big old yellow belly.
Swallowed the hook.
Yeah, them big ones will do that. Yeah, that sun's getting too bright out here to film.
Yeah.
Your legs need some tan, man.
Yeah.
Another little fish coming in the boat.
Yes, sir.
Nice little yellow belly. Well, it's getting bright out here.
Yeah.
I need to get some filters for these cameras, these little GoPros.
We lost our cloud cover.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're done fishing for today. Yeah, it's probably afternoon now, but we was done fishing about an hour ago. And this is what we caught. This is what we ended up with this morning.
Nice mess.
Good, nice mess of fishes. How many did you say there was in there?
I count 18.
There's 18 of them in there. That'd be 3 or 4 messes or better. That's what you call catching today, not just fishing.